If you received any unsolicited package from China that states jewelry, do not open it. Contact the United States Department of Agriculture at 256-362-2909. Do not discard them in the toilet. Also, do not discard them in the trash. They could end up in a landfill where they could take root, or birds could spread the seeds. Just as our unwanted weeds in our garden beds, grass, and vegetable gardens. They also have the potential to reseed themselves, such as our beloved perennials. Brushing is typically carried out by third-party sellers on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, or other e-commerce platforms. They're all just looking to boost their sales. You all do not fall for this scam. These are not our seeds.